Kidukhot kasing Samla ka Trinamool Congress mendakasingi kilaraki Kynmaw Burom yokpa ki alphabet kasi Reverend Thomas Jones da kabapin Kynmaw yaki mati bane junom hagajing mat pangjong u yaki rai e raidam banbo yaka hakatin tho katin pule kabamenta kalakiu shiki kenjang bahajrong hakapule puthi Kinong yalam kasing TMC kibala Kynmaw tempang yauni uriu kraw kilong usamla paya baskem kharkongor damiyo lamare bat usamla ban sharai lang pingrom kibala penpawi ke minsim sngongo bat minsim bamla siu kilyang shu ikimati jong ni ukpa katho kapule hakaktin kasi ya kajing yalang Kynmaw Burom yu Reverend Thomas Jones la pelong mentarasngi haying mani balang Presbyterian kendailat.
Friends, we are here today representing the All India Trinamool Congress through the Trinamool Congress Student Union. I am proud to be standing here today representing the student community as the state president of the Trinamool Congress Student Union. We are here today as a mark of respect and gratefulness towards this great man's contribution towards our community. It is this great man's contribution that our state has reached up to this point, that we have fought for our own independent statehood, that we've been able to produce doctors, engineers, we've been able to produce chief election commissioner of the entire country through our state, and many more great personalities have come out from our state. It is because of this man's contribution and his dedication towards uplifting our community. And today we stand here proud to be a political party which is new in the state, which will set our foundation on these foundations which these great people have set these foundations upon. His contributions are the foundations which we the students can set our foot upon for a brighter Meghalaya and a better Meghalaya.